Another protein fibre that you may consider would be suitable for a garment would be wool. Now, wool comes from a sheep, and the sheep is shorn. In Australia, we produce the best quality wool in the world, which is merino wool, and it can be produced a very, very fine denier, which is suitable for menswear and for tailored ladies' clothing. So you may want to use the same pattern, but to transform that into a more of a tailored outfit using a very fine wool. So some of the desirable properties of wool is that it's a very resilient fibre, and here we see the difference between the silk fibre and wool is when I pull the fleece apart, the fibres are short. This is what we call staple fibre. They're not long continuous filament fibres such as the silk. Because the sheep is shorn, the fibres are short. However, the good quality wool, the length of the fibre is longer and the denier of the fibre is finer. Now with wool, once this is processed, it will, and it can be dyed very well. You can see the beautiful colour here. This is a very fine long wool tow, and this would be the preparation for spinning it into yarn. So because the wool comes from an animal and silk comes from an animal, that's why they're both classified as protein fibres. They have the most similar property is that they are highly absorbent, and that makes them very comfortable for clothing, such as stage wear, evening wear, or winter wear. They're both fibres that are warm. Wool actually absorbs about 70% of its weight. So when both of these fabrics are on the human body, it allows your skin to breathe, to absorb perspiration, to allow air to your skin, and they are extremely comfortable to wear as either a garment or as a costume. So that is why they're used in winter time. In the Northern Hemisphere they use a lot of wool, and the silk is used in Asia because the climate is hotter, but it has a regal quality to it.